Hello, I'm Jeremiah Broz, CEO and founder of Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar. When I started this company, we were originally going to just do solar and going to piggyback on all the hardworking roofers out there and offer a complimentary package to help them segue all of their clients into the renewable energy world. With an overlap of tax credits, people can get solar cheaper than ever before by upgrading their roof and solar together. The company was created as a means of using what we have to do and have to take care of, insurance work within a hail-driven state like Colorado, and using that as a segue into moving that percentage of rooftops into solar. Because it's good, but although it's good and people know it's good for the environment, they're very hesitant about price point and why would I pay more for it, or if it costs more. So here at Energy Advantage, what we really try and focus on is educating the consumer on all the viable options out there when it comes time to take care of the exteriors of the home. Upgrading to new products such as stone-coated steel. Maybe we don't have to tear off those shingles that just got replaced a year ago, but we can lay it over the top if it's allowed by the municipality. Possibly looking at putting on new rubber roof, 100% recycled rubber that holds up to a 5-year warranty to any size hail that comes through. And then on top of that, how can we get them into the 21st century with solar? Adding a solar PV system, battery option, maybe an electric vehicle charger, changing out their lights with LED lighting. And then lastly, how can we get them brand new windows and help keep that energy with windows and attic insulation and weather stripping inside their home? So here at Energy Advantage, we do roofing, we do solar, we do windows, but it's really about helping the customer turn their storm damage into an energy advantage. Have a good day.